超时。
Oh, come on.
I like balance. I like strength.
Can you believe the videos you just watched were created with AI? Yes, this is new AI tool introducing in Higgsfield AI. Let's take a look at what this is and how it works. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something interesting in the AI video world, Seedance 2.0, which is coming soon from Higgsfield. There's already a lot of discussion online, and the early examples look very impressive. Higgsfield is a fast-growing AI platform focused on AI video creation. Their goal is simple: make high-quality AI video tools that are easy for creators to use. Now they're preparing to release Seedance 2.0, and many creators are waiting for it. We can see that it says coming soon, and there's an option to sign up for early access. Enter your email address and click the notify button so you can get access as soon as it's released. It allows you to upload images, videos, music, and text prompts together. As an example, when you upload a character image, a dance reference video, and background music, and the AI combines everything into one final video. It looks like Seedance 2.0 can generate audio and video at the same time. No need to edit audio separately. Instead of generating again from scratch, you will be able to change a character, replace the background, extend a scene just by typing a new prompt. This could save a lot of time. Now let's look at some sample generations.
您的外卖已超时。
Oh, come on.
I like balance. I like strength. I like flow. I like speed.
You think you're tough, you think you're strong. You're just a copycat singing my song.
此乃魔教藏邪气之地，务必夺回。
弟子定不辱命。
我与师兄同往。
As you've seen, by using Seedance 2.0, we can create unbelievable videos. This helps creators to make short films, create social media content faster, produce higher quality AI videos, save editing time. This could be a big step for AI storytelling. If you want to try Seedance 2.0 when it launches, you can sign up for early access. I've added access link in the description below. So, what do you think? Are you excited for Seedance 2.0? Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.